Many people suffer from an identity crisis, and it's very detrimental, just like what happened to Connie. She believed she had two navels because she carried two lives, one that she lived and one she could never escape. Hey everyone, today I will be talking about a book of Nick Joaquin titled The Woman Who Had Two Navels. Nick Joaquin's The Woman Who Had Two Navels is a landmark in Filipino literature. It blends psychological drama, historical reflection, and symbolic storytelling. First published in 1961, the novel explores how the past continues to shape identities, both personal and rational. The story revolves around Connie Escobar, a troubled woman who insists she has two navels. This physical impossibility serves as a powerful symbol of unresolved trauma, guilt, and the burdens she carries from her family's history. Through Connie's interaction with various characters, including the psychiatrist Dr. Monson and her parents, the novel uncovers layers of secrets and illusions that reveal how deeply people can be trapped by their past. One of my favorite aspects about this book is that Joaquin's rich and poetic language. His writing is heavily influenced by history, religion, and the lingering effect of colonialism. He masterfully contrasts old Filipino traditions with modern ones, showing a society struggling to redefine itself. The characters themselves represents different responses to these changes. Some cling to the past, while others try to escape it, but they cannot. What makes the book so compelling is how it blends realism with symbolism. Connie's claim of having two novels is really strange, right? But it becomes a metaphor for the divide itself. Someone burdened by expectations, mistakes, and unresolved emotional wounds. Joaquin uses this to comment on the Filipino identity, suggesting that the nation itself struggles with multiple novels from layers of history. Overall, The Woman Who Had Two Novels by Nick Joaquin is an essential read for anyone interested in Filipino literature. It is thought-provoking, emotionally intense, and artistically crafted. Nick Joaquin's work remains relevant today because it highlights an important truth. Can you guess what it is? It is the truth that we can only move forward when we confront the past, not deny it. Again, this is the book by Nick Joaquin titled The Woman Who Had Two Novels. I am Joseph Riel C. Maranyon, and thank you for listening to my book review. See you on the next one.